Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to disable FaceTime on iPhone and macOS to protect your privacy. Let's have a look. From your iPhone, tap on Settings. Swipe up to scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Just turn off the button beside FaceTime. That's it. FaceTime disabled for your iPhone and it's protect your iPhone privacy. For macOS, click on Launchpad and click on FaceTime. When FaceTime started, click on the FaceTime from the top left corner and click on Turn FaceTime Off. That's it. FaceTime now off or disabled for your macOS. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.